Hi everyone. I hope that many of you guys are aware by now about matra, but let's just revisit once again. So, all the swar in Hindi language make a specific and a particular sound, which is represented as matra in a word. In our previous videos, we have learned the swar a, I, E, U, and U, and how they are represented in a word through matra. In this video, we're going to learn how to represent swar O and O as matra and then use them in a word. Swar O is represented as this matra. Let's take an example. Rabbit. Rabbit in Hindi is called khargosh. Now the go sound is made by taking vyanjan g and swar o, and together they will make the sound go. And now we can just make the full word as k, vyanjan k, then vyanjan r, then we'll take go and vyanjan sh, and together they will make the word khargosh. Now let's just move on to our next swar, that is o. Now swar o is represented as this matra in a word. For example, plant. Plant in Hindi is known as podha. Now this paw sound is made as by taking vyanjan p and swar o, and together it would make that sound. And to make up the full word, we'll take p and o together, that will make paw, vyanjan dh and swar a, which is represented as this matra, and we have covered that in our previous videos. So together it will make the word podha. Thank you.